friends, and welcome back to my channel. I think I'm way too zoomed in here. I'm going to be doing a quick review of what I am packing to take to a crop. This is a crop that a get together with friends that I am going to be flying for or into. You know what I mean. All right. So this is just some things that I historically have this is only my second time meeting up with friends where I'm flying. And so let me just walk you through to what I'm bringing. So I have a couple of these zippered, this is from Crop and Crate Delivered. This is the March class, and this is this pouch is from Lail by Mail. This is a gift from one of my girlfriends that will be at this meetup, and so this is the June. So these are all bagged up and ready to go. I do have a third of these pouches, and this is just a bunch of different things that I promised my friends. So that is coming with me. I am bringing this, just an OG 12 by 12 mat. I believe I did bring it last year, so I'm bringing that. One of the things that I really missed, just because we're in a space that is not any one of ours, and so and it's a smaller space, good enough to scrapbook, perfectly fine. But I bought one of these. I have these in my stash that I use in my room, so I'm gonna bring this just so that just to keep my stuff contained. This is a magazine organizer just off Amazon, and this is just the thing that goes in the bottom to kind of hold it steady. I am bringing my trusty trimmer. I have already replaced the blade, but I am bringing one blade with me. This is just my Fiskars. And I do bring this one because it has the locking mechanism, so nothing's gonna happen to it. Normally, if I was just going locally, I would have brought my other Tim Holtz, my little guillotine, the smaller one. But because I don't think that's going to be a good idea, and it's going to add a whole lot of bulk. I am bringing this Mimi organizer. This is the Memories in Motion International. It's the little logo here. I've had this for years and years, and it's a very sturdy plastic, kind of like the material from the Cropper Hoppers, if you're familiar with it. And so this doesn't really have a lot of give, and so I like to store my finished projects in here. Let me just see if I can zoom out a little. There we go. There's that. And so that will fit into my carry-on my bag. It's a tote. Should I decide to bring it with me on the plane. Now, let me just move some of this stuff because now I get to show you the smaller bits. Okay. So, some of the smaller bits. In this iris case, I have my dimensional adhesive. So I have my foam dots, I have glue dots in here, and I have a couple of larger sheets of foam. You can kind of see them there. I do have a little bit of room, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, I need to grab my cup holder. I just forgot that one. This is just from the Dollar Tree. This is a pencil holder from the Dollar Tree. But what I like to use this for is so that it corrals all of my tools, like my pens, my pencils, my scissors will fit in here really nicely. Any other tools that I'm bringing, I can use it this way, or I can use it this way. So it really is just up to me, depending on the space, the area that I have. I don't know if I'm going to bring this. This is my, I have it in my stash here of things to pack. And really it's just because I have the photo sizes for the projects. This is where I keep a running list of my different things that I want to scrapbook. So I have, you know, I cross them off once I finish them. Finally, my trips from 2023 are done. That's a beautiful thing. Here's 2025, still have some work left to do on them. The trip from 2025 is also almost done, yay. And then here's 2026, still some room left. Now, this doesn't include, if you've been following my channel with my last kind of update, scrap room, organization type video. I have not put those pictures in here, those stories of those printed pictures that I have found and may want to scrapbook. So those are not in there. That's still questionable about whether it's going to go or not. This is what I'm bringing in terms of tools. What I'm thinking actually is, because this is bulging a little bit, I think I'm going to move, I think I'm going to move a couple of these things, but you get the gist. Usually what I bring in here is just, again, I'm more about containing, so it's just trying to keep everything together. I have my liquid glue. I have my my scissors, my little scissors. These are Martha Stewart. These are my favorite. I'm bringing 2 types of journaling pens. I'm bringing, this is my Kuriaki Mangaka 05. This is a Zig 05 point. And then this is a fine slick writer, depending on sometimes the materials of those stickers or labels. I'm bringing my pokey tool. This is a We Are Memory Keepers. I'm bringing an extra blade. I'm bringing some double-sided tape. The adhesive that I am bringing this go around is, I think this is a 3M little glider strip thing. So I'm bringing that. I decided at the last minute to pack my dot liner. This is the Kukuyo. This is an extra long dot liner. It's great. I love bringing this along when I am likely to be doing some base pages and I don't want to permanently adhere. So particularly for like placeholders for pictures, I was like, I need to bring this. So I needed to make some room. That's what was making this one bulge. So for that reason, we're just gonna move some stuff around here. We're gonna move some stuff. Like some of these, like I don't even know why I keep these. All right, so we can put that in there. I don't think my pens, that might be a little tight. I know. Maybe this and this. Oh, that's tight. That might not close. Oh, it does. Okay, perfect. Let me see, maybe my scissors. Scissors on this end, since they kind of go flat. Oh, there we go. And then I think I can make these others work. Let's see, put this, that. Ah, much better. Nothing is bulging at this point. That's wonderful. Okay, so that's it for tools. That's all I'm bringing. Now, I will say that my friends are always very generous, so that if we forget anything, they will have me covered, I am sure, and they would be more than willing to share, as they always do. The other 2 things, as I was thinking about this, because then I had to think about the days, right? So we are landing on Wednesday afternoon, and so there is a likelihood that we will get started scrapbooking sometime on Wednesday evening, perhaps. So then we'll have all of the day on Thursday. And then Friday, we will go to the expo. That's one of the reasons that we're heading to Georgia, is to go to the expo. And then we will have part of the day on Friday as well as all day on Saturday. And so I started thinking about what I was bringing, and I was like, you know what? I don't know if that's going to be enough for me to work on. Not that I'm thinking I'm going to be super prolific, but one of the things that I was thinking of doing was bringing my, this is my Crop and Create Delivered. This is from May of this year. And so I think I'm going to bring just two of the kits, two of the kits to work on in the event that I get really speedy in terms of working on things. So I'm gonna just I'm not gonna bring all of them. I'm gonna bring like maybe 2 or 3 of them at the most, and then we'll go from there. We'll see what happens. All right, guys. Well, that is it. So all of this is my new stuff that I'm considering bringing. This is just a 12 by 12 from Michael's. I ran into the fact that they had some of these, and yeah. So I'm gonna see whatever fits nicely in here is what I will end up bringing. And yeah. So we'll see. And then obviously this has to come because this has all of the beautiful instructions. And so I'll be sharing, once I get back, I'll be sharing some of the different layouts. Even if they're partial base pages, I will be sharing those with you. I'm not taking, as of right now, I'm not taking any pictures. I'm not taking any, printing things. I'm not taking any of my photo printers or anything like that. That just for me requires just a ton of work. And so, and I don't want, I'm only going to take one bag. So we'll see how all of that goes. I will bring you along the way, and probably in a separate video, but I wanted to do one very specifically to packing. And really important to also just know how many days you're actually going to have, right? Because I could have very easily run out of things with just those 2 classes. And so that's what I'm trying to avoid. And I didn't realize we would have possibly that much scrappy time. So anyway, all right. So neither here nor there. I'll see you on the flip side. Bye for now.